Welcome to Studies in Biology. Today's topic, Krebs cycle. The cycle of chemical reaction that are the major source of energy in living organism, described by Hans Adolf Krebs. This acetyl-CoA reacts in the first step of the 10-step sequence of reactions that comprise the Krebs cycle, all of which occur inside mitochondria of eukaryotic cells. Next slide. Reaction of TCA cycle. Step 1. Formation of citrate. Oxaloacetate condense with acetyl-CoA. To form citrate catalyzed by enzyme citrate synthase or citrate synthase. Inhibited by ATP NADH citrate competitive inhibitor of oxaloacetate. Step 2 and 3. Citrate is isomerized to isocitrate. Citrate is isocitrate by the enzyme actinase. This is achieved in two-stage reaction of dehydration followed by hydration, formation of an intermediate cis aconitase. Step 4-5. Alpha ketoglutarate. Isocitrate dehydrogenase catalyze the conversion of isocitrate to oxalosuccinate and then to alpha ketoglutarate stimulated by isocitrate NAD plus Mg2 plus ADP Ca2 plus. Step 6. Conversion of alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl CoA. occurs through the oxidative decarboxylation catalyzed by alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. In this stage of TCA cycle, second NADH is produced and second CO2 is liberated. Step 7, formation of succinate. Succinyl-CoA is converted to succinate by succinate thiokinase. The reaction is coupled with the phosphorylation of GDP to GTP. This is substrate level phosphorylation. GTP is converted to ATP by the enzyme nucleoside diphosphate kinase. Step 8, conversion of succinate to fumarate. Succinate is oxidized by succinate dehydrogenase to fumarate. This reaction results in the production of FADH2. Step 9, formation of malate. The enzyme fumarase catalyzes the conversion of fumarase to malate with the oxidation of H2O. Step 10, conversion of malate to oxaloacetate. Malate oxidized to oxaloacetate by malate dehydrogenase enzyme. Final synthesis of NADH occurs at this stage. The oxaloacetate is regenerated, combined with another molecule of acetyl-CoA and continue the cycle. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें।